Okay, we now come to the final step of our sequence, the last step of the Lancashire sequence, the sixth step, and this one is called a Jump Swanee. It's got the advantage of looking quite fast and flash because it's got two very fast shuffles in it, or seemingly fast shuffles in it, and that then makes it a good finale to the dance. And the jump as well makes it look quite flashy. In fact, it's relatively simple. It's two shuffles, two jumps, two Swanees. It makes up the basic part of the step, the basic component. So let's just do the two shuffles. They're exactly the same as they are in the rapper sequence. Step, shuffle, just one once off either foot. Let's just do that. 3, 4. Then we have the two jumps. So your weight was on this foot, ready to go do something with that foot, but in fact you jump and you end up with your feet slightly apart. And then another jump with your feet crossed, but the weight is on the back. So if you watch that again, 3, 4, that's it. Up to that point, that's the good starting point. Now, before we go any further though, notice that when you got to that point there, your feet are symmetric, so which foot ends up in front? Well, the simple rule is whichever foot shuffles first is going to be in front after you do the jump. So just watch that again. Because when we do it on the other foot, it'll be the other foot that comes front. However, we've got to that point, we've got a little bit more to do to complete the basic step. 2 Swanees. It's easy enough. Let's just do that again. Or was it the other foot? Doesn't matter. 2 Swanees. Let's just do everything up to that point, and it'll become obvious which foot to do the Swanees on. As long as you remember, the foot that shuffles first is the one that comes in front. 3, 4. Okay, do that again. 3, 4. Now, of course, that whole sequence, that's the basic step, is now repeated off the other foot. So 3, 4. Okay, so that's the two basic steps, but then for the rest of the step we've got two shortened versions where we just miss the Swanees out. So step, shuffle, jump, jump twice. Ready to go down to the left. 3, 4. Then all that's left is the break. The break is the straightforward standard break. Now that break seems a little bit slowed down because in the step you're doing step, shuffle, but remember in the break there's a pause before the shuffle. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle. Step, pause, shuffle is in fact what's happening. Let's do the whole thing, starting onto the left. 3, 4. Break. And of course that is going to get repeated off the other foot. 3, 4. So that's it. Let's just try it once more through, off each foot, taking it at a reasonably steady speed, and then we can try it with the music. 3, 4. Break. Other foot. And that is then the finish of the whole dance.